As a new startup, it's important to protect your business. An LLC is the easiest business structure to maintain. So what exactly is an LLC? A limited liability company, or LLC, is a hybrid business structure that has characteristics of a sole proprietorship, general partnership, and corporation. It also has the tax advantages of non-corporation entities and the limited liability protection of corporations. A California LLC offers you and your business two major advantages. The first is asset protection. Personal liability protection means you won't be held personally liable for your company's debts and obligations. In the event your California LLC is sued, your personal assets cannot be used to pay off the company's liabilities. The second advantage is pass-through taxation. Pass-through taxation means your California LLC won't have to pay taxes twice. Did you know you need a registered agent before you can form an LLC? You can act as your own registered agent, use a friend or family member. However, those options run a high risk of penalties, fees, and removal of state standing. Another option is choosing a registered agent service. A registered agent service has expertise in handling all legal documents correctly. It's the most ideal option. Virtual Postmail offers registered agent services for your business free of charge with every Virtual Postmail account.